Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed in with an administrator account so settings apply system-wide. Once ready, click Start and type, create a restore point, then press Enter to open system properties. Make sure system protection is visible. This is where restore points live. You're beginning the actual process now, not just prepping files. Notice which drives show protection. On or off, you'll act on the primary system drive, usually C. This saves time and avoids common permission snags. Now, select your system drive, usually C, and click Configure to enable protection if it's off. You want to turn on Restore System Settings and previous versions of files, so both system files and app settings are saved. Adjust the max usage slider to a reasonable value like 5 to 10% so you keep multiple restore points without filling the disk. Once done, click Apply then OK. This creates the environment for manual restore points and automatic ones during updates. To create a restore point immediately, click Create, type a clear name like before driver install yimmdd, and click Create again. Windows will build the point and report success. Make sure you see the confirmation the restore point was created successfully. If creation fails, run command prompt as administrator and execute sfc/scano, then retry. Corrupted system files often block restore creation. Finally, check restore points in system protection to confirm the new entry appears, so you can restore later if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.